Hey guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a no eyebrow makeup look, or kind of trying to do like editorial type makeup. So I was just like scrolling through Instagram and I came across, well, I followed her already. Like, I love her makeup looks. I love her. Her name is Beauty by BB on Instagram. I love all the looks that she does, and I was just like getting very inspired by her and inspired to do like a no eyebrow makeup look. I've concealed my brows before, but it didn't look that great, so we're gonna try to do it like kind of in a good way as best as possible to make it look good, to do a makeup look without them. I might do like a little very skinny drawn on brow after like I do everything. If I'm looking down and to the side like this, it's because my monitor is a little bit lower, but like just for this week I'll get back my tripod. My sister had to use it for work and I let her use it, so it's on like a smaller table and you can like really tell now. I feel like usually you can tell but it's just like a little bit off the side. Now it's like very down off the side. But anyways, yeah, I'm pretty excited. I kind of want to call it, I'm calling it a no eyebrow makeup look, but kind of trying to do editorial because I know people don't like when you throw the word editorial around all willy-nilly, and like that's not my forte. So we're just gonna try our best. So yeah, I guess if you guys want to see me do a no eyebrow makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my eyebrows are kind of on the thicker side, so I'm hoping that this even like works. So we're gonna do the traditional way of like concealing brows, which is with like Elmer's glue, like how the drag queens do. So I'm gonna try. First I'm just gonna go like back and forth on my brows with the glue. Like I said, like I'm not great at this, and honestly each time I do it, it kind of doesn't look great, but we're gonna try to do it today to the best of our abilities. So don't drag me if it doesn't look good. So we're just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna kind of brush it. Okay, and then I'm gonna like dry it in between layers with my little fan, because one, I'm impatient, and like when I try to mess with it when it's drying, you see the little, how this one's super white and this one isn't. That happened, and little like balls start to roll off. So let's just dry this first layer with a fan. Okay, I think we're doing good. So now we're gonna do another layer. We're probably gonna do like 3 layers. They seem pretty flat, so now we're gonna do one final layer, and then after this we're gonna put powder down just so it's not like moving. We're gonna like set it with powder, and then we're gonna do concealer and all that good stuff. I'm actually really happy because they feel super flat. I'm gonna set them with powder, just like a little dusting, just so when I put on the concealer it doesn't like mix with the glue, because I feel like we're pretty good right now and I don't want to mess it up. And we're setting that with some airspun powder. So now we're gonna take a color correcting concealer, and if I'm gonna like do sweeping motions, I'm gonna do upward sweeping motions the same way that I laid them, if that makes sense. Okay, and now instead of more concealer to like put on top of the brows, we're gonna use foundation. One, because it's thicker and it's more coverage, and plus like, yeah, it's just more coverage and stuff. And with this you don't want to sweep at all, because you really don't want to mix that pink color underneath it. You could have set it with powder, but I know every time I set it with powder and then go back on top with a cream, it like creates a weird gritty effect. But it looks pretty good right now. I mean, good enough that once we do foundation and eyeshadow that I kind of will like blend in. Listen, in this video I'm definitely going to be looking down there because I want to see like what I look like with no brows or like concealed brows. So yeah, but you guys can still see what I'm doing. Okay, and now let's move on to eyeshadow. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. I think I'm going to do a very blended out upwards kind of eye look, just to like, I don't know, I'm not copying any specific like eye look anything from Beauty by BB, but like just like taking inspiration from her page because she's just amazing. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I'm gonna basically prime how I usually would, except taking it higher. Guys, you can still kind of see the brow, but like I said, once we do everything else, it's gonna look okay. Like I said, it's my first time, well, it's not my first time concealing them, but it's my first time making them look pretty flat. So you're gonna still see the hairs. So like, I'm not a professional, so don't drag me, okay? This is gonna seem a little strange for me, but I don't know, I feel like with like a look like this, I kind of want to do like blue. So I think I'm gonna try to do like a Tiffany blue type look. So for the first color that we're gonna put down, I'm gonna be taking the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette, and we're gonna take Daisy. Whoa. Bro. Okay, we're gonna take Daisy just to like blend everything out. It might end up not looking too Tiffany blue, but blue is the goal that we're going for. We're gonna move on to a different palette. I'm not really feeling that one. We're gonna use the we're gonna use the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone one. We're also gonna take a different brush. We're gonna use the Morphe M504. You know what? I'm kind of changing my mind. I think we're gonna do blue and purple. So I'm gonna take the second purple and put that kind of in the same spot we put the blue, but under it. Okay, so we had some difficulties. If you guys, you guys don't know, I was going for like 15 minutes. I had to redo this brow and this eyeshadow, so I was basically just taking some blues and purples and like stacking them and blending them out. I really like the way it looks. I feel like it looks very like dark and galaxy kind of. So now what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of adding some black into the outer V just to like darken this up a little bit. I'm also going to take a little bit, I'm going to take a blending brush and a little bit of pink, because after I do my foundation and put on blush and stuff, I'm gonna blend the blush heavily into the eyeshadow. So I'm just kind of getting started with blending some pink into the bottom, and then I'm also gonna blend some pink in the front. I kind of want this to look like Galaxy Galactica, like I want to look like Galactica girl. I don't know if that's a thing. If it is, I don't know who that is, but that's kind of what I want to look like. That's the vibes I kind of get sometimes with a no eyebrow look. So I kind of just want to give that vibe, if that makes sense. This one looks great. This one looks good too. It's just a little bit like in the front, but period. I'm getting very happy because it's looking good. I messed up and I was like kind of getting like anxious and like annoyed, but I was like, let me just compose myself and redo it, and this side actually looks the best because I redid it. So I'm putting down everything with a blending brush, even like the stuff that I'm putting on the lids, because I kind of want everything to look very blended out. We're going to take that light pink and that light purple and just go around everything. We're also going to do that after we put on foundation and stuff. I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and then I'll come back to do some other touches. This is what it's looking like right now. I really like it. We're gonna add some more shadows right here just to like conceal the brows a little bit more, go a little bit higher, make sure everything looks super blended and stuff like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna take some white shadow and put it in the inner part of the eye just to make it look a little bit more open and bright, since we have all those other crazy colors going on. And now let's do some under eye. So you see how we kind of connected the blush right here? I'm just gonna really take some pink shadow and then purple. You know how like when you see editorial makeup like looks on magazines or like stuff like that, it just looks so like messy but like well placed? That's kind of how I want to do it, like stuff all over the place but like meticulous, like a meticulous messy, if that makes sense. And I think I'm kind of achieving that look. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do next. I definitely want to add some pearls. I might add them like here. Hold on, I have a really cute idea, so just give me 1 second. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I'll do a close-up, but I did this really cool thing with the pearls, kind of like a, you'll see. And then I just did like a brown lip liner with gloss, and then I just put on some lashes, and I think that this look is complete. I think it's so cute. I love the way it looks. I'm just very happy that I was able to conceal my brows in the way that I wanted them, and they look pretty good. I'll do a close-up like I said. Obviously the closer you get, the like more you can see the little hairs or whatever, but I think this looks so cute. It's giving me such like space chick vibes. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute. I'm so excited to take like pictures. If you guys hear like thunder or like rain patterns, it's like thunderstorming. But yeah, I love this look so much. I think it's so cute, and definitely recommend doing a no eyebrow or like editorial type makeup look. I'm saying editorial because like I feel like editorial doesn't, like sometimes they block out the brows. They have a very blended, very messy yet precise, like I said earlier, type look, and that's the vibe that this is giving me, period. So yeah, this was so fun. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be in the description box. It's also on the screen right here. Yeah, subscribe, watch another video, all that good stuff. I'm trying really hard to grow this channel. I know I said I was gonna get back to scheduled uploads. I am going to definitely get back to it. I've just been feeling really down, and like I've been having really bad depression and really bad like anxiety attacks and stuff. So yeah, but I really want to grow this channel. So yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, watch another video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Period.